Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. My friend and fellow YouTuber Jayden Harrod reached out and wanted me to help him breathe life into his old PC. And by breathe life, I mean build a whole new machine. Well, kind of a whole new machine. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button right now and turn on that little bell to receive notifications. We upload multiple times per week, so make sure you're subscribed. Also, we have a Discord community, so come and have a chat with us. The link to that is also down below. We saved the bits we liked and we discarded the bits that we didn't and built Jayden a new Ryzen 7 2700X based editing and music production rig so he can get back on top of his YouTube and beat making game and also game. Yeah. This video is brought to you by Cooler Master and the Master Keys MK750 mechanical gaming keyboard, featuring a fast, modern Type-C connection, comfortable magnetic wrist rest, and on-board macro recording. The Cooler Master Master Keys MK750. Game smarter, not harder. Find out more about the keyboard in the link in the description. There's a bit of a story behind the original PC that we're gutting for this build. Jayden bought the PC with the money that he had earned making videos on YouTube. He worked for a very long time to be able to buy it, so it has a bit of significance to him, which is exactly why we're throwing all of it in the bin. I'm obviously joking. Right, so as usual, let's talk about everyone's favorite part, the parts. The current motherboard is the ASRock Z77 Extreme 4 and it's getting replaced with the ASRock X470 SLI Master. The current CPU is the Intel i7 3770K and it's getting replaced with the beast, the man, the master, the AMD Ryzen 7 2700X. We're keeping the GPU from the old machine for now, which is an MSI GTX 970, 3.5 gigs. You guys know the story with that. If you don't, look it up. The old Sharkoon case is being replaced with the brand new Phanteks Eclipse P350X mid-tower case. Lastly, for memory, we're using 16 gigs of G.Skill Ripjaws V5 DDR4 memory at 3200 megahertz. All right, party people, let's get into the build. Oh yeah. Can I just say that I love this case, seriously. It's really easy to build in, it's really easy to cable manage, and the addressable RGB built into the case, well, it isn't over the top. Phanteks really has a winner. I could go on all day about how much I love their cases, but no one wants to hear that, unless you do. If you do, leave a comment down below. We didn't benchmark anything or get into any performance numbers because, to be absolutely honest, this machine is a workstation, and a workstation that is used for Premiere and also to run FL Studio with 4 billion VST plugins, so yeah, nothing really else matters. Do yourself a favor and head on over to Jayden's channel and subscribe. There's a link to that in the description. Also, if you want to grab anything mentioned in this video, there are also links to all of those beautiful things in the link in the description down below. I'm constantly like pointing into this down below void, but you guys understand what I'm talking about. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do, and tell us what you didn't like about it. Like seriously, if you dislike it, tell us why you disliked it. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm Nick with Gear Seekers. You peak, we seek. Also, Chris from Discord, if you're wanting to know what the switch does on the side of the Wraith Prism, the answer is not much. I'm sorry, I kept you waiting here the whole time for that answer, but yeah, it's not much.